Gusto daw niya na English only.
Di ba guys, yun yung gusto nyo?
Yes,
One-
Mayor, we want
1 hour
we want to
English
visit
channel.
again
1 hour lang
Lagonoy.
naman.
It's so very, very nice festival.
Chris, saan sa katang ano ko
The
ha?
people there are
Ng
so
puso
ko
nga.
charming.
I'm not
and
feeling
they're so
well.
Ang sarap.
Biglang- I'm not feeling well,
Yan.
Chris. I'm on my second day of period.
Yeah.
Mama, help.
Hi, Eva.
Ay, no. You
Where
speak
did you buy the
English.
croissant?
Yeah, Eva Lereteras, you message me in my messenger or my, yes.
Yes.
chat you later.
They order our app.
Oh,
So
they
you
order
message
our
me messenger. My goodness, Chris. It's nice. I think I will stop na my live.
Oh my, can we stop this already?
I
This
think you
live?
guys sound good. You
No.
sound good.
I think I wanna stop
my
the
God.
live.
No,
Yeah.
keep it going.
We don't need to
They don't
use
need to
the,
hear
ano,
this. Guys, you don't need to hear this.
They love it. Look,
This
they
is
love it.
something
I'm
private.
praying.